In order to succeed, we must first believe that we can. The story of Safe Shop began 20 years ago. A spark of inspiration that set ablaze a winning trail. Everything we do is driven by the desire to help people, communities and society at large, and thus build a promising future for us all. What do we believe in? Through our work ethic and fair practices, we are bettering the lives of individuals and communities in a meaningful way. Our ambition: obsessing over perfection. We strive to create innovative products that fulfill the needs of today's consumer. And while we are at it, we keep the health of our planet in mind. Guided by our values, we do what is right. We speak and act with integrity, understanding we are each an ambassador of the Safe Shop brand. We succeed as a team. We believe in collaboration, the sharing of ideas and working together to achieve our common goals. We endeavor to improve. We believe in stepping outside of our comfort zones, always looking for new ways to better ourselves and our work and what we offer to the world. Our code of conduct. For 20 long years, we have consistently maintained the highest standard of individual conduct, whether from each member of our board of directors, our associates, or our affiliated partners in every aspect of our business. Our code of conduct is a set of workplace norms, rules, and responsibilities developed over the years that govern how we act at work. This applies to every associate that works for the Safe Shop brand. Our product philosophy. For us, being innovative is a way of life. Our products simply must be safe, reliable, and innovative enough to inspire repeat usage and loyalty. This philosophy is what guides us to create products you can trust and fall in love with. Our product range. Safe Shop has a wide range of products that are manufactured to support your comfort and convenience. With more than 150 plus products under categories such as spirituality, health, apparel, FMCG and kitchenware, we are your one-stop shop to cater to the needs of the entire family. Our manufacturing partners. These products are manufactured under our brand name by the leading companies in India. Reliance, Club Burgoyne, Raymond, Trojan, Prabha, Bolatu, Olansi, Safeway, Source Naturals, Columbus Sports, BDM, Clarion. Our supply chain management. Logistics is an amalgamation of various specialized processes such as inventory management, warehousing, packaging, labeling, billing, shipping, return and exchange. All of these rely on a foolproof strategy to work seamlessly. With a storage and dispatch facility exceeding 45,000 square feet and equipped with cutting-edge technology, processes and dedicated teams, we ensure the dispatch of ordered products with utmost care and safety right up to your doorstep. Our tracking management. From the time of dispatch until the delivery of a consignment, we notify the exact location of a shipment to its respective consignee through tracking SMS or email notifications. Our assured refund policy. Our 30-day buyback policy gives you the confidence to go the extra mile to achieve your goals and accelerate growth within this business model. Walking on the path. Adhering diligently to the guidelines of direct selling, Safe Shop is committed to advance on the path of direct selling in a lawful and ethical manner. Come, be a part of our growth story. At Safe Shop, we have a stimulating and entrepreneurial working environment that empowers people and engenders growth, both personal and professional. With lakhs of direct sellers in our team, we are here to make difference. Together we can. Together we will. Join us now and watch your life transform.